Go, go, go.
All left.
Got our right covered.
Clear, clear. Nothing. Whoa. One. He went left.
I think there may be another one though. Yeah, there's another one. There's two of them.
Where at?
Right behind that barricade right there.
On the left?
Yep, right outside the door.
Second left. I got nothing over here. Wait. Hospital one.
We're beginner road this morning. Let's watch the photo, please.
I don't know. He's not peeking anymore. Oh, yeah, he's down. One down, one on the left side. Two down, two down. Push up. Oh, where'd Alan go?
I'm over here.
Copy.
You know anything about this side?
I haven't. I don't know anything. It's clear from here.
Holy cow, there's a lot of you.
Yep. Clear. That's friendly left. Right. We got friendlies.
That's dangerous out there.
Yeah. We might want to see if we can hit that window.
Yeah. Go in the window.
All right, cover our rear here.
I don't see anyone.
Sounds like it's all coming from the right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got one at this tree.
You got it.
Did I get him?
Yeah.
He's not. Is he still there? He's still there? Oh. One by the ambulance. Ambulance.
The ambulance.
Changing.
I can get his feet. I think he's there.
Oh, taking fire from that side. Right side, guy. Everyone. All the fire's on this side. Yeah, he's.
See him shaking his hand?
Is the ambulance down?
Yeah.
Clear.
Nobody on the left.
Yeah, I'm all clear.
2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes.
We got friendlies on that, right?
Minutes left.
saw those guys walking there. Like, ooh, I want to get that guy in the head. Good thing there's a net.
Nice job. We're gonna switch sides to round two. Yeah, I seen him when I first. I'm like, I can't kill him.